This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Trading Forex involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Welcome back to Forex Seller, where real traders discover real tools that deliver real results. In today's video, we're introducing something that's making a strong impact in our trading community: the powerful, reliable, and performance-focused Hunting Cat Scalper. Normally, an advanced tool like this would cost around $449. But today, we're making it available exclusively at Forex Seller for just $29, giving every trader access to professional automation at an unbeatable price. Trades on the USD/JPY, one of the most liquid and stable pairs in the Forex market. Optimized for the M30 H1H for timeframe, perfect for smart entries and well-timed exits. Requires only $100 to get started, ideal for small accounts or new traders. Up to 131% account growth. Drawdown remains under 12%, showing controlled and intelligent risk management. Over 58% of trades closed in profit, backed by consistent strategy logic. Now, let's open MT4 and take a detailed look at the internal settings of the AI. This step-by-step walkthrough ensures you're not just running the AI. You're running it with full confidence and understanding. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level with automated precision, click the link in the description to download the Hunting Cat Scalper right now, only from Forex Seller. Start with the right tool today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel.